Hi guys, it's your girl Helena. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and this time it's going to be a very quick eyebrow tutorial. Very simple to follow and just super easy. Now that you're here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you stay tuned in for all my other videos I've got to come. So if you're interested in how I do my eyebrows, then carry on watching the video. Okay, so firstly I clean up my eyebrows with hair removal cream. This is a sensitive facial hair removal cream and you can get these from your local drugstore. I got mine from Boots and they're so affordable and it will last you ages. You can skip this step if your eyebrows are already shaped, or alternatively you can shape your eyebrows in your usual method. I like to use this hair removal cream method because it's just easy for me and it's pain-free. So as you can see, I only put a tiny little bit of product to the back of my hand and it always is more than enough. I like to use a small angle liner brush to do this. My eyebrows are not very thick or hairy as you can see, but it does have a natural shape to it and I just follow that shape. I ensure the application is thick enough to cover all the hairs so that every single hair is removed away. If you get any product where it's not supposed to be, you can just wipe it off. The cream doesn't take effect straight away, so you're good. And that's pretty much it. I leave the cream on for about 5 to 7 minutes. So I've got my tweezers at the ready, and grab yourself a makeup wipe or baby wipe and get rid of the cream and make sure it's all gone. I usually do the hair removal on my brows right before washing my face. Look how neat that is, love it. With the tweezer, just tweeze away any hairs you have that were stubborn. I sometimes skip this step to be honest. I then moisturise my eyebrows with aloe vera gel. It's perfect for hair removal and it gives such a cooling effect. It's so nice. I brush the little tiny hairs I have left with a spoolie, and then it's time to pencil in my brows. I have always used the pencil to draw in my brows, nothing else. I personally just find it easy to control and have my desired outcome. This pencil is from Body Care. It's £1 something and it's amazing. It's even got a little spoolie at the end. Time to conceal. I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer. It does have a brush, but I like to use my flat eyeshadow brush. So I apply a tiny bit of concealer on the back of my hand and I start to clean up my brows. I don't like to apply too much concealer, just enough to clean up. And then I just use any brush or sponge to buff out and smooth out the concealer. And we do exactly the same on the other eyebrow. So that's how I do my eyebrows, very quick, very easy. And also, can I just mention just very quickly, I use the spoolie end just to make sure I fade in the inner part of my eyebrows, just so it gives it a more natural look. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and also subscribe to my channel and become part of the Helena family. And guys, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.